What's going on? It's Fireball back from Cheap Ass Cooking. Making pot pie today. Chicken pot pie today with a recipe that I found online. And as you can probably tell, I'm actually not just jankily propping my phone up. I actually have somebody here to help me out. Thank you, BN3. Right now, I'm cooking the chicken so that I can shred it up after it's done. And once that's done, like I said, I'll shred it and then I'll put it in this pot, and that's where I'm going to be combining everything. And then after that, I'll be putting it in the pie crust and then cooking it again, basically. While this cooks, I'll go ahead and stop the recording until the chicken's done, and then we're starting to put stuff into the pot itself. All right, I'm back, and the chicken's about done. I just put butter into the pot so that it can get melting. Here shortly, we're going to be putting the salt, the pepper, and the flour, and slowly adding the broth into the pot, stirring it in as we go. Then after that, we'll be putting in the chicken itself, and then we'll be transferring that over to our pie pan, and we'll be using pre-made pie crust because I ain't messing with that. And at some point, we're gonna put in the veggies. I believe it's while we're putting in the broth and the flour and all that kind of stuff. So, let me get this melted and then get everything put in, and I'll see you as soon as that's done. All right, what's going on? I'm back. I'm putting the chicken into the broth in the mixture now. Come take a look at this. This is the gravy that we made for the chicken pot pie. Putting this in. Set that to the side. I'm just stirring it all in. And now we're going to, after I get this up to temperature, put this on medium. Once I get this up to temperature, I'm going to get the pie crust ready, which I will actually bring you on with as soon as I get this mixed in. Alright, I'm back. I'm getting the pie crust ready. Going to lay it out in the pan. I guess the AC decided it was cold enough or hot enough to warrant turning back on. Just going to be laying this in here. Rolling it. Don't want to tear it too much. I think this pie pan is way too big, but it's all I can find. So, gonna work with that. Now, take this. Just going to put that in there. There it goes. Spoon. Find this out. I'm just double checking the recipe. Preheat. 375. Oh wait, it's 425, isn't it? That nice and flattened out. Yes, start. And take our other pie crust. This one will still be cooperative. remove this, lay it out right on top. And we'll be putting speed holes in the top so that you can breathe and not explode. I'll pull this in just a little bit. There we go. That should be good. Final product. Here's how it looks. Goes in just a hair more. And now we just wait for the oven to preheat, and then we'll put the pot pie in, and then let that cook for 30 to 40 minutes, or until the crust is brown and flaky and delicious. Alright, quick update. I just put the pot pie in the oven, letting that cook for 40 minutes, and then I'll be back when I pull it out to actually show y'all how it looks out now once it's done. Hopefully I didn't shock the glass. Alright, we're back. The pot pie just got done in the oven, and now we're just going to pull it out. Oh wow, that looks awesome. Please don't shatter. That looks sweet. Turn this off. We're gonna let this cool, and once I get a couple pictures for like the thumbnail and all that fun stuff, then and after it cools, like I said, I'll cut it up and do a taste test on video. All right, we're back. And I am serving this now. That looks freaking amazing. Want 2 slices?
No, just one.
Alright.
Thank you.
The cut could have been a little bit smoother, but since you helped me out with this, you get first taste. I'll take the camera as soon as I finish serving that. Let me get you a fork.
Sweet. Thanks, dude. Pie crust first.
Of course.
Good. That's flaky. Oh, hot.
425 degrees tends to do that.
Good. Now we try both together.
Try a little wombo combo. Good? Sweet. Alright, if you like that video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. This is probably one of the most expensive meals I've made, because the chicken alone costs more than most of the stuff I make on this channel. You know what? If you liked it, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll make sure to check out my gaming channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.